Hey guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Today is just a project share. Some things I've been working on. Some more TNs, of course. And I just want to show you a few things. Now, I showed this one in another video. Let me make sure I got it. I showed this one. This is the first one I did. Well, it's not the first, but it's the first one that kind of sort of came out right. So that's this one. I did this one and I actually like this one, but if you can see it here, the inserts or the signatures are bigger than the cover. Yeah, but anyway, I do like it still, but I'm just gonna have to work on the sizing. And those other extra ones are for another TN. This was the one that actually came out a lot better than the rest. This thing right here, this dangle, is from Dollar Tree. I think one of these colors was, actually I think this one maybe. I had changed this, I think this was a darker pink or fuchsia, so I'll put the white on there to better match the cover. This big bow is for your hair actually, and I got it from Target. And this paper is the meant to be fab paper from Hobby Lobby. The puff here is from Hobby Lobby. These two clips that you may or may not be able to see are from Michaels. This is the inside. I was able to figure out, well, I saw the video on how to make the slits better, so I did that. And I do have my signatures here. I did this because the band was too loose, so I tied it again. I just haven't cut this knot, and I'm thinking about leaving it just like that, just in case this gets bigger and it needs more space. This is just a piece of vellum with some gold pineapples that I got this. I think I got it from Hobby Lobby. This is more of the papers from the paper stack itself. This is a pineapple clip. I think this came from Michaels. This insert right here is from Planner. I think her name is Planner Shan, but it's Plan With Me, and it's a free download. And I actually like this, so I picked it up. Well, listen to me. I printed it out and I put it in here. And this is the folder that I created as well, from paper from the collection. This is the third signature here, again from paper from the collection. This is the other side of the vellum sheet, and this is the third signature, again from the collection, with a pocket back here. I'm okay with this one. I like this one better than the other ones that I've done so far. So I don't know how I may be able to add some more stuff, maybe some more cutouts or something. But the paper pad doesn't come with any cutouts, I don't think. At least I don't remember seeing it. But these are some other covers that I was working on. This is from one of the Craftsmith stacks. And I only saw this one, and I can't even remember the name of the paper pad, but I do love this paper. It was so cute, so I got that one. And I haven't cut it out, I just laminated it for right now. This one, I haven't put it through the laminator as of yet. And I think this came out of one of the Valentine stacks. And I had laminated it before, and I just took it apart to make some changes, and I'm going to laminate it again and see if it'll work out. If not, okay. If it does, good. If not, I ain't going to worry about it. This is another cover from the Meant to Be Fab stack from Hobby Lobby. I'm working on that one. Oh my goodness, what happened here? This, oh good, it comes off. Probably one of the grands messing with stuff. Look at it, see the yellow? I don't know what they done. Hopefully I can get something to get that off. It looks like it'll come off. But these flamingos, these gold flamingos on this paper, and these two have the flaps here on the side. I can't get there. You see it, the flaps on the side here. There we go. Here's another cover from, I don't know. I can't begin to tell you, but here's another cover that I was working on. And I do know this one is from Serenity. And this is the cover that I have been so in love with. And I messed this one up, so this one is mine. Right here's a little nick right there. So this one is mine for sure. If something else happens, hey, we'll see. This is another one that, if possible, would probably go in my Etsy shop. And this, like I said, I just love this paper here. And this too has the pockets right there and right here on both sides. I'm gonna stop trying to show you guys those. This one is a, what's the word? This is just me. This is a trial and error one for real. And this is from the black and gold stack from Craftsmith. And I just put this here, nothing else. And you may or may not, but I can see the creases here. So that may not have been a good idea to do that. But I still like this cover. Just got to see how I may be able to work it. Here's this one. This is another one that I absolutely love the paper, but I messed it up. You can see it across the bottom. I think I was gluing it or something, and I think it was too much wet glue right there, so I got a permanent wrinkle right there. But other than that, pockets are here, and they are there, you know, functional. So this is another one of mine that is just mine. And down to the last two. This is actually just some paper. I printed this colored paper. I printed this out. I was looking for something burgundy. Why, I don't know. But I printed this and just on regular copy paper to see how it would behave in these 3mm laminated sheets. And it's okay. I don't have any complaints. I don't like the way the paper, because it's so thin, I guess. I don't particularly care for the way that it reacted to the manipulations, the bends and whatever. But I guess it's, you know, it's protected. It has some stiffness to it, so I guess it's okay. And the last thing is this folder that I did. This may be from the Serenity stack. I have not cut the pockets out yet, but this will be in a TN. Just don't know which one. Ooh, okay, so that was a lot. And like I said, this is more just a share for you guys until I finish getting everything ready for the big giveaway, which will probably be the next video. So I want to thank you guys for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.